Hey guys, Lance here, going over some of the SRX trades. We just got one from Phil at 132 Central, 681 put, made 27.34% in just 90 seconds. It was on the 5-minute chart, saw price rejecting S1, closed over the EMA. Got in at exactly 2:30 Eastern or 1:30 Central, happy with 90 seconds. If you look at this recent trade here, we went above the EMA, ADMA. I'm on 3-minute, let me go to 5-minute chart. Alright, so in the 5-minute chart, we went above the ADMA here, and he entered, and then we saw that up candle and got out at a nice 27% gain. I took one, and it was a really good one here. So right here was a very similar setup. I got above the ADMA. I bought a call, 2 calls here. Then I took it up here. I closed one of them here. And then I put a trailing stop. The trailing stop happened on this red candle here. If you go in the Post Your Profits tab, you'll see my entries. So I entered in 2 contracts at 1.82. The first close, I closed one at 1.95, and then the trailing stop one, I closed at 2.14. Overall good trade, made 12.3% on that trade. We also had a really good setup at around 11 Central. Right here we saw a down circle, meaning that it's bearish. You can buy puts here, possibly in the end of this candle. On the 5-minute chart, could have taken it all the way down here, and then possibly close on this candle where it hit the S2 level, or possibly closed it up here at the S1 level. But we went from about 682.70, and you could have closed around 680, maybe 681 or so. So you would have got at least 1 premium, possibly 2 more on the SPY drop, which would have increased the value of the puts. So again, we've been doing these trades every day on SRX. We have a lot of good traders showing their setups when they're entering. I also put in possible entries. I did say that this was an entry here as well. So if you want to get these entries and join a like-minded community of option scalpers and swing traders, you could join in the description down below. Again, Lance, the option teacher here. Hope you guys have the good rest of the day. Sub for further videos on these and other strategies, and I'll see you guys on the next one.